We've got big breaking news on the Delhi blast. Jaish-ul-Hind, an outfit, has claimed responsibility for the Israeli embassy blast via social media message. Central agencies have found a Telegram chat on social media of the suspected channel Jaish-ul-Hind. Agencies, and it's important to highlight this, that agencies are still verifying the claim in this chat that this organization is taking responsibility and in fact gloating about this incident, about this blast. But this is something that is yet to be confirmed and verified. This organization has put out a claim that they are behind the attack, but the authorities are still looking into it. Munish Pandey is joining us with more details on this. Munish, with the caveat that the authorities are still looking into this claim, any details that we've really been able to pick up about this organization called Jaish-ul-Hind?
Well, Akshita, what is interesting is that no one, even the intelligence agencies, have heard about this particular organization by name Jaish-ul-Hind. Not even the intelligence agencies or the police agencies. Now, about this, particular claim. Now, Jaish-ul-Hind, in a telegram message which has went viral on social media, they have claimed responsibility behind the blast, and they have also threatened that there will be a series of blasts against the Indian government. Now, as far as the intelligence agencies and officials are concerned, I spoke to several officials. They are saying that they are not going to believe on this claim because many a times what they have seen that such organization come forward, they claim the responsibility just to mislead the investigation. As of now, they are saying that they will be looking into this particular telegram message where this Jaish-ul-Hind has taken responsibility, but as of now, they cannot conclude that this is a particular organization behind this blast. They are saying that there might be other organization. For example, the primary suspect is someone behind from Iran or any Iranian agency or organization. They might be behind the blast, and because there is evidence against these claims, and that is why agencies are working on those lines. But about this Jaish-ul-Hind, they are taking this very seriously, but about this organization no one has heard, and no one has even claimed earlier that what they have done in past. Akshita.
Okay, this is something that has been put out by